discovered. Just worked it out. Okay, this is actually really important. I would have made money today if I had these levels. And I fucked up. So let's go have a look. Go to the daily, right? So this is where I like getting the fib retracements from. And it just because it looks really good. And right, so the initial fib that I had was from this breakout, this candle. Oh, fuck, this is actually making me so happy that I've worked this out. There. So hold on, I'll delete this one. And that is great for this rundown. But as soon as that 100% retracement happened, so this day, I should have got rid of this. Boom. This is now invalid on this day, which is Friday last week. These levels on the fib retracement, invalid. Gone. So then what do? Well, we've seen a reversion back up. So now we need to go, all right, what's the breakdown here? And what are the levels on the way back up? This is a gap fill that hasn't been done. So where did it break down? Did it break down from here? Not really, because it came down and went back up. But from here, it fucking tumbled. And have a look at how beautiful today would have been with this in place. All right, even looking at this, you can see, okay, cool. It's played around this level. We've closed above. We've closed right on this level. And I know that's not one that I really care about. But if it's playing, you play it. And have a look at today with that level. Now, yesterday was still a bit fucked. And yes, it was choppy today. But you could see with that level in place, you don't really have anything there, but you've got something on the pre-market. Reject, hold, bounce, bounce above, but you're still cautious that that level is key, right? Bounce, boom, right up to that level. Oh, right up. It was perfect. It was perfect. So this would have been beautiful. And then down, bounce, boom, into VWAP for the day. Oh, God, bro. This is why levels are so important. They are so important. Man, very, very, very annoying, but also exciting because you've got, from that breakdown, you have, as of today, a 38.2 retracement. You've got this level that is held as support, this fib retracement level, as well as a level on the 5, the 30, all of it. It is held as support. You've got a VWAP there that's holding as support. You now have it breaking under. What, are we back over? Are we back open? We shouldn't be open. Futures market's closed. Maybe the Qs are still trading. So what am I looking for now? In the after hours market, I am looking for this to come back up, tag it, and reject down. If my levels are correct, this should... what's our daily trend? Hold on, let me have a look at this daily trend. I don't think we're in a downtrend. We got a very big hammer candle today, though. You've got higher high, but I mean, technically uptrend because you've got low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. It has closed under. I would be willing to play this back down to there in the after hours because we're under it at the moment. We're under this at the moment. This is actually, this has got me excited. Bro, these levels are so important. And if you've got them wrong or you've not got it right, or your trades aren't happening, you're like, my levels are shit. They're not working. And it's cool. Like, you can look at this, the way that I was taught in fucking courses that I paid way too much money for, is you go, okay, cool. What was the high of day? What was the low of day? today, so this would be sort of the levels, right, for today. And I'll show you how this translates across. So the chick whose course I did, I don't recommend it. She's a horrible teacher. But these would be the levels that you pay attention to. You've got the close and the open. I put a level in there because you got the close and the open so close. So, but I'd go off this one because it's the more recent one. They'd be my three sort of key levels. Now, the thing that I really like is this 23 and the rejection of that today. Now, let's have a look how this translates across to the 5-minute chart. And you can see on the 5-minute chart, this level no one gives a fuck about. So I don't even really want that. It's just chopped way too much. I don't care about that. But this base level right next to this, brilliant. Really happy with that. To me, this level is super. This is beautiful. This red line is my level. That is my level of interest. That's where I want the entry. If I get an entry there and I see rejection candles on it, see a couple of wicks, bang, baby, we're going down, and we're going down, I believe, to this level. Hold on, no, I don't. No, that low. Sorry. That's the low. Yesterday's low. So the bottom of this black line, this black bar, which gives you this low previously. That's my downside target. As soon as this, then what you would do, how would I find my next levels? If this then breaks down under here, these fibs are now invalid. So these levels are invalid. And you would do a level from here down to wherever you get a turning point. Right? But, I could have had a really good day today. Man. That setup completely changes how today would have worked. Yes, it was choppy, but I wouldn't have played any of this. Wouldn't have played this, I would have. I would have entered this for sure. Stop under that line, short stop, boom, in. I would have got this whole fucking run right up to that line. That would have literally been my sale because that's my target. Might have taken profits at the highs there. Previous high there, yeah. So that would have been a first profit take. Or I would have just really tightened the stop loss. Oh, dude. Man. Yeah, so I guess set the levels better. Let's go have a look at SPY. So, and let's readjust these levels because no, I don't think I have to on the SPY actually. So let's go back to the daily. SPY's been a lot stronger than the Qs. So if we go and have a look at this, yeah, because you've just got this one down. Where's my, oh yeah, because I'm doing it from the break up. Boom. You haven't really got, if this turns into a low, but it hasn't retraced back to there. So for the SPY, these levels stay intact. The Qs have behaved differently, so that's why you need the adjustment on the Qs. But for this, it is behaving well right now. That is behaving as it should. You could possibly look to an adjustment. Let me have a think. Let's break up. No, it's not really the, it needs to be a big one, right? No, they're not. This is, the big one's the one. SPY levels stay the same. They're still good. And you can still, it's still reacting at those levels. Close there, you got a peak there. You've got to hit there. You've got to hit there. You've got to hit there, hit there, hit there. It's all still, you got very close to this 78 retracement. I would guess that we're moving into a downtrend, but I hold this level until that break up is invalidated. Yep, definitely. So they're the levels that look like they're playing on SPY, but the reason I missed this today, I hadn't adjusted it. I was reading the wrong ones, but yeah, could have had a really good day. So that just is what it is. But I'm well set up for tomorrow. This is the thing, like yes, the environment of the trading thing is not always going to be in your favor, and you need to pull yourself away when that happens. But today was like really bad. It's really odd. The pre-market was so beautiful, and then what? Nothing. Like during the day, it shouldn't have been that bad. And I think if I'd have adjusted that, I still would have got the pre-market trades. Like these were beautiful. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. You've got that beautiful level in there. Very clear, very clean. Boom, respect. Boom, bang, boom, 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 boom. Yep. So still would have got all that. Just interesting. Something to be aware of, something to think about. What I am looking for in the after hours is I want this to come back up 80.5, and I want it to reject. That's what I'm shooting for. Oh man, that makes me feel better. This is a process, man. This is a process. Learning doesn't stop. Learning doesn't stop. And if you're not getting the results you want, you are the problem. Lack of knowledge is the problem. Don't throw in the towel. Look at what you can do to improve. Keep getting better. And it'll click. It'll start. I mean, for me, it is clicking more regularly, but I'm still down, right? But I am so much better than where I was 12 months ago when I started. So my growth has been insane in learning this, and it will continue, I hope. But keep looking for those opportunities, keep looking for those things. Don't give up on the process. Keep going with it. This is very, very, I still love, because if you look at this and you're like, fuck this market, fuck this, and you like want to blame everything, that's all well and good. And you're probably still going to have a few good days, the same as I have had. I could take that approach and be like, no, it's the market's fault, it's this fault, it's XYZ, it's Google's earnings, it's Tesla earnings. When the problem today was that I hadn't gone in and adjust my charts and picked the levels because I didn't realize that it had done that full retracement. My error, right? So yeah, it's just something for me to be aware of, and it's something that will actually help me improve. I hope that helps someone that's watching this. All right, I'm going because I'm doing some other stuff, but I'm a bit excited for this future so open because I got levels again. All right, see ya.